General guide for installation. Our product, Paramount Pine, comes with a height from 14 feet up to 60 feet. Custom size for higher height will be available upon request. The Paramount Pine is outdoor applicable based on the RSE standard in Hong Kong and a wind load of 150 km per hour. Tools preparation. On the leftmost, it is a M10 U-clamp with bolts and nuts. They come with the product as per the required quantity, while the cutter, the pliers, and the ratchet spanner are just common tools easily available in hardware store. Demonstration information. The tree under demonstration is 18 feet high and it will be lighted using the run line as power device. It will be installed in an indoor environment on a flat ground. The manpower we need is 2 adults. You would also need suitable power supply and enough room space for installation. The installation time is about 2 hours. Note: since different tree height and environment will require different installation hours, make time plan in your installation plan, especially when it is for an outdoor environment. Let's start the demonstration. First, unpack the metal frame. Then, unpack the run line. Next, untie the lead cable and let it stay loose on the ground. The run line, pre-attached on the column next to the main column of the metal frame, has the sockets covered. Ready to start installation. Altogether, there are 4 rows for the frame. Row D, C, B, A. Start from ground with row D. Row D is made up of 2 frames. Assemble them into one piece with the M10 U-clamps provided. For this row, there are 4 sets of U-clamps in total. Face these 2 frames against each other to assemble. Here shows you how to use the U-clamp. Important note: do not tighten the bolts and nuts with tools such as ratchet spanner. When install each U-clamp, tighten them with tools when all U-clamps for that specific row have been installed. Stack up row C. After the bolts and nuts of all U-clamps of row D have been tightened securely, we are ready to go for the next level, row C. Row C is a one-piece metal frame. Stack up row C on row D. Pay attention to the vertical alignment. Make sure the main column of row C and row D are aligned vertically. Then you will find the run line pre-attached on each row is on the same position vertically. Secure row C and row D using the provided U-clamps to secure the 2 rows together. Here shows you how to use the U-clamp. Important note: do not tighten the bolts and nuts with tools such as ratchet spanner when install each U-clamp. Tighten them with 2 when all U-clamps for that specific row have been installed. Connect the run line of the 2 rows for power connection. Stack up other rows, row B and then row A. Both rows are also one-piece metal frame. Stacking of 4 rows has been completed, with the main column of each row aligned vertically. The run line of each row is also on the same position vertically. Next, install the special pole on the top. This is the special pole. The red color here shows the area for slotting in the special branches. Now we are installing the special pole on top of row A by slotting in. Align the run line of the special pole with the run line of row A. Now connect the run line of the special pole with the run line of row A. To secure the special pole on top of row A, tighten the 6 units of M10 push bolts one by one. Note: additional security feature about the special pole in an environment where guide wire is used, for example in an outdoor environment. The 3 metal rings here in the center of row A can be used as the fixing point for guide wire in maximizing the stability of a giant tree. Now that the special pole has been well assembled on the top, the frame installation is completed. Make sure again that the run line of the special pole and the run line of all the rows are all located on the same position vertically. It's time to connect the main power supply. Use the lead cable pre-attached on row D to connect. Next, ready to install the tree top and light up. This is the tree top. With the spring open design, it is easy for fluffing. Lift the tree top, slot into the special pole. Tighten the 3 push bolts on the tree top to secure the installation. Connect the male plug on the tree top with the socket of the run line of the special pole to light up. Under the tree top, install the special branches, 6 pieces in total, and light up. The special branch can be identified by the red color marking here. Untie the magic tape to let loose the plugs of the light string. With the spring open design for the special branch, it is easy for fluffing. Identify the branch sleeves on the special pole for the special branches, with the red marking here on the special pole. Hook the first special branch into the sleeve closest to the socket of the run line. Plug in the socket of the run line to light up the first special branch. Hook the second special branch to the sleeve. Make the power connection with the first special branch by plugging the female receptacle with the male plug. Continue hooking the neighboring special branches and power connection to light up one by one. Now that all the 6 special branches are installed and lighted up, on the special pole, install the standard branches, also 6 pieces in total, under the special branches and light up. This is the standard branch. No color marking here. Untie the magic tape to let loose the plugs of the light string. Hook the first standard branch into the sleeve closest to the socket of the run line. Plug in the socket of the run line to light up the first standard branch. Then, continue hooking the neighboring standard branches and the corresponding power connection of the light strings, like the way we just did for the special branches. Install and light up the standard branches on row A down to row D in the same way. Once all the standard branches of all the rows are installed and lighted up, the installation is completed. The whole tree has been installed and lighted up.